Hello, in this video I will show you how to create 3D pop-out effect design. So create new design, take custom size 1000 pixel. I will select elements just in elements. It is just a quick tutorial. Select mobile mockup and any picture like this one and make it there. I will make like this. Done. And select the picture again. Click on background remover. Go to edit and magic grab this first lady and grab it. Great. So delete this image and resize this mobile phone. And go to this picture and resize it also. Just resize it. It will be fit with the behind image. I see that it's fit now. Go to elements and select any background you want. Can put some object or effect as you want. Shadow. And put some text like fitness this font looks good. Change color. To make effect. we'll make this effect. I think that's all. Don't forget to subscribe in my channel and see you in next video.